Hey guys, Phil here at Woods Tree Farm, and today we are going to work on this campsite area. A couple videos ago, several videos ago at this point, you may have seen us take down a whole bunch of trees along our field edge. Just inside of that field edge is this area I'm standing in right now. I'm kind of on the top of a hillside, and it's reasonably flat in here. It slopes down in that direction, it slopes down in that direction, and it slopes away from me. But other than that, it's generally flat here on this little hilltop. And I'm going to clear out all the smaller trees. I'm going to limb up the trees that we're keeping, and I'm going to get all this dead wood out of here. And this is going to be a big campground area. Initially, it's just going to be kind of for family use. But in the future, we do think we'll have some youth groups and small groups and maybe scouting groups and different types of groups here to use the farm and to camp out on the farm. And this would be one of the areas that we'd want them to use. So I'm trying to clean this up and make it really nice. And we're really in the early stages. We got a lot more work to do. But since I've got the grapple for the tractor, I figured I'd go ahead and try to get at least all the big stuff moved out. I've got a few standing dead trees you might be able to see behind me that I'm also going to try to get out of here. So a lot of cleanup work in here today. Let's get started. Starting to make some pretty good progress out here today. This right now just looks like a big mess because I had to clear up all this dead wood. I'm really starting to push it all down the hill, and just over to my left over here is where the campsite's ultimately going to be. But I had to kind of make room because there was just so much dead wood laying down in here. So now that I've got some room made, I can go over into this area and start to clean out some of this underbrush that's in here and take out some of these smaller trees. And this area over here will be where the campsite's going to be. It's our highest ground, it's the flattest area, so that's going to be the best spot. And as I start to clear this out, I'm going to start to figure out maybe where a tent space can be, and where a fire ring can be, and where we can put a picnic table and all that kind of stuff. So starting to immensely get a picture of how this is all getting laid out. But I had to do kind of this grunt work first and get all this stuff out of here. It was just a big mess. There's so much stuff down in here. But now that it's gone, a couple of these big logs I might actually grab and take them even further downhill. Everything that I've moved so far is just too far gone to use as firewood. It's all half rotten, it's full of bugs. So I'm not going to pull any of that stuff out of here. I'm just going to haul it down the hill and let it rot in the woods down there. But really starting to come together up here. This is the area in here that's kind of the flattest. My truck over there is on a trail. So straight ahead in front of that truck is a trail, and that trail will continue to be there, and it's between where we're standing right now and where the truck is that the campsite will be. So all this undergrowth and all these small trees are going to come out. Well, thanks for following along today. This was a good little project. I am not nearly done, but next time we visit this project, I will pull the scarifying blades up on the box blade and try to do some more leveling of this area. I'm going to use the big cultivator rake that I have and rake up the sticks and leaves and other soft debris that's around here. I'm going to do some more cleanup of the big piles that I made over that way, so that I can just make this area look a little bit nicer. I want the piles that I made to be just out of view, and right now they're kind of just in view. So that'll be next time. Thanks for checking us out today. If you like the work that we're doing out here on our 43-acre farm in Central Virginia, make sure you subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit the bell icon as well, and you get notified of our future videos. If you want to get your own Woods Tree Farm gear and support our channel, you can get long sleeve tees just like this one on our website, and you can also get some hoodies and hats as well. So thanks for checking us out. I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.